The Amazon Warehousing and Distribution Inventory Dashboard provides you with near real-time inventory data and allows you to take actions directly from the page, making it a valuable tool for inventory management. To access the dashboard in Seller Central, go to the Inventory drop-down menu and then select Warehousing and Distribution, AWD. Inventory data can be filtered by SKU. You can also sort inventory data for your SKUs by clicking on a column. For example, all SKUs in AWD. All the data is refreshed near real time, except for available in FBA, which is refreshed daily. The dashboard also allows you to take action on your inventory. To take actions like sending inventory to AWD, the Action menu can be found on the right side of the dashboard. If you believe Amazon's auto-replenishment won't be enough to meet expected sales, you can also manually move inventory by clicking Move from AWD on the top right corner of the page. Have any questions? More detailed information and instructions on how to navigate the dashboard can be found on the AWD Inventory Help page.